In this video, I want to talk about coronavirus and make money online. So I want to give you guys my opinion why 95% of the people, what are they doing right now? It is very wrong. So let's jump straight into this video. So let's talk about what are people doing right now and why I think it is very wrong. So first of all, you can see Facebook ads and ads in general all around the internet selling masks. So these are drop shippers that are buying masks for example, $5 and they're reselling them for $50 or $30. It doesn't really matter. So why is this very wrong? First of all, you can see this ad right here. You can see this guy has set up ads to say this is Joe. Joe didn't listen. Everyone was saying to get the masks. So Joe didn't buy the mask. He got on vacation, so he got sick with coronavirus. So you can see this guy is selling these masks, and he's probably selling them for example, I'm giving just an example, $50. So this probably here they have 10 masks, and they're selling them for a really high amount. You can see right here it says 20 masks. So he probably is selling for a really high amount of money these masks. So why I think this is immoral, first of all, because you can go on AliExpress and find tons of different masks that drop shippers are selling right now. So let's click on this one, for example. So drop shippers are selling like crazy. They're making a lot of money, but that is not the point. You can see this mask, they have 3,214 orders. So these are probably drop shippers that are using Facebook ads, YouTube ads, different ads to market these masks, and they're selling them for really high amounts. So I saw some of them selling these masks for $99, which is really crazy. And first of all, masks don't really protect you guys from coronavirus. That is really important to know. Maybe they protect you guys with a small amount, but in general they don't really protect you guys. And also if you have coronavirus, you can protect other people around you by wearing these masks. But it doesn't make any sense to promote like these masks are going to protect other people from coronavirus, because this is not the way to do it. And also you can see people are selling some bicycle masks as coronavirus masks. I don't really support this, because this is not really moral. And I want to show you guys what other people are doing exactly. So most of people are selling this type of masks to make a lot of money, and they're selling it like crazy. People are really scared and they want to protect themselves, but you're not really selling them protection, and that is why I'm highly against this. So first of all, you can go and find some affiliate marketing masks. So you can see this safe mask, they're giving $36 per lead when someone buys their products. So that means that they're really saying this overpriced masks to the people, and I don't really recommend doing this, because this is not, as I said, moral. And second thing, they're not really protecting your customers. So you're not giving them the product that you're looking for. And you can see these face masks, that is the best protection against viruses and air pollution. So I don't really think that this is really moral to do. You can see there are tons of people. You can see one safe mask costs $49, and this probably could be found on AliExpress, this one mask around, let's say, $5 or $7. So this is not the case. You don't want to sell masks, but you don't want to market them as they're going to protect people from coronavirus. That is not going to happen. You can see coronavirus safe masks. So I don't really think, as I said, that is very good to do. So how you can go and make some money online with coronavirus? So my best way to give you guys advice is if you want to sell masks, don't go and do drop shipping. I don't think that is very good way to do it. You can go on Amazon, you can sign up for Amazon affiliates, and you can get up to 10% advertising fee for every single item that you sell on with your affiliate link on Amazon. So that doesn't mean that you're going to get the 10% of the cost of the mask, but you can see right here it says 8% for Kindle and some other stuff. You can see how much money you're going to get. I think it is around 7% or something like that for masks. So you can go and find on Amazon, you can type in right here, and you can sell this mask as affiliate, but you don't want to market them as they're going to protect against coronavirus. That is not really the right way to do it. Second way that you can go you can go and make some money with coronavirus is you can provide free information. I can make a video about how you can make some money on YouTube and coronavirus, but I didn't mention selling anything. I don't think that it is really moral to sell anything right now around coronavirus. If you can make some money from people that are going to donate you with a live stream, you can check out this video. I'm going to put the link in the description. So I think that this is the right way. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm saying that, but I think that it is the right way to provide free information to the people that are looking for how they can information around coronavirus. If you can run a blog, for example, or some website or YouTube videos and help your viewers how they can protect against coronavirus, or you can go and run these live streams. I have talked about in the video right here, I have talked about how you can create these live streams. You can see people are already doing it. They probably got idea from my YouTube channel. So you can see that this guy is running this live stream, and he has 1,000 people watching right now. So you can see you can put some donations right here if people want to donate you for making this live stream and providing them information that they're looking for, and that way you can make some money. Right now, YouTube is limiting ads on coronavirus videos. I don't know why are they doing this. You're still going to get some money, but you're going to get less money than before. So that is something really, I don't really see why is that happening. But right here you can see this channel that I have talked about in this video is doing this live stream, and they have right now 100,000 people watching live. So that means that this channel has millions and millions of views on this video. They're probably going to get 200 million views, and they're providing the information that people are looking for. So that is why I think that is really good to provide free information, run blogs, help people, but not actually selling these masks, because this is not going to help your customers, because they're not going to protect them as you market them. So if you market them that this is going to be protection for coronavirus, that is not the case. And as I said, I don't think that this is moral thing to do. So guys, that will be it for today's video. If you have any questions, if you want to share your opinion, am I right, am I wrong, you can go and press this like button if you don't agree. If you agree, press that like button so we can talk about is this right thing to do to sell masks in this type of coronavirus, because a lot of people, as I said, are scared and they're willing to buy almost anything. So I don't think that is the right thing to do to make some money online. So guys, that will be it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, not actually more videos like this, if you want to see step-by-step methods how to make money online, make sure to press that subscribe button. And also you can watch some other videos, amazing videos on my channel, how to make money online, if that is something that you're interested in. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon and bye.